I'd say we're a bit opinionated. Oh, I'd say that we tend to talk a lot. When we run out of things to say, we always go the way of saying things we probably should not. But right before you went for it, I saw you pull your punch. Stopped yourself before you said too much. So, great save, we were seconds from disaster. Great save, we were minutes from a fight. Great save, cause whatever happens after is only cause you sort of saved the night. Great save, baby, we're gonna be alright. Great save. Great save. You say we can try a little better. We can try a little better. You say there's a future that you see.